Writing task 1, and the question for today is the line graph below shows the production of paper, wood, pulp and sawnwood in the UK from 1980 to 2000. So we are given the production of forest industry in the UK, the production of paper, wood pulp and sawnwood in UK in the year 1980, 1990 and 2000. So we can see that the production of paper and packaging was quite high in all the three given years. Like production is in million tons, and sawnwood was secondly most produced product, and wood pulp was least produced in the year 1980. But after a decade they interchanged their positions, like the production of wood pulp overtook the production of sawnwood. So it's of wood pulp. So let's see how we can write this now. Starting with the introduction, the rendered means the given line graph elucidates the manufacturing of paper, sawnwood and wood pulp in the UK between the years 1980 to 2000. So in the introduction we have written whatever is given to us. Overall, it is discernible from the graph that the production of paper and packaging was at its peak throughout the given period. So the production was highest for paper and packaging in the all years. So that's why we can write that throughout the given period. On the other hand, the position of sawnwood and wood pulp switched, with the former's figure declining steadily while the latter has remained relatively steady. So we can see, like here we can see like the position of both switched, and the former means first one we were discussing about sawnwood. So the former's figure declining steadily, so it started declining from here and it remained almost stagnant, the later one. Now explicitly in 1980 the output of paper means the production of paper and packaging was around 230 million tons compared to 200 million tons of sawnwood and nearly 170 million tons of wood pulp. So in the year 1980 we can see, like here, 230 million tons of paper and packaging, then 200 million tons of sawnwood, and wood pulp was around 180 or something like that, 170. After 10 years, the paper and packaging production surged minimally to 250 million tons, while the other two declined and were identical, accounting for 150 million tons. So the production of this increased after 10 years to just 50 million tons, but here the both decreased and they reached at 150 million tons and were similar. In 2010, the volume of paper and packaging, not people and packaging. So the volume of paper and packaging produced increased by 100 million tons. So what happened in 2010? It increased, or we can say it skyrocketed to 350 million tons in the year 2000. Not in the year 2010. So the year is 2000, not 2010. Okay. However, wood pulp productivity surged and the production of sawnwood plunged. So the wood pulp increased, the productivity of sawnwood plunged, means decrease. Wood pulp capacity soared by 10 million tons while sawnwood productivity dropped to 125 million tons. So the production of sawnwood from here 150 to drop to 120 or kind of 125. So we can say nearly this, right? Because we can't say any exact number. So dropped to nearly 125 tons, 125 million tons. And the capacity of wood pulp, it soared by 10, we can say here, from 150 to 160, around 160. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.